Welcome to this news video, where we'll be discussing the latest patch update for Jedi Survivor. We begin by catching everyone up to speed on the controversy surrounding the game since its launch. Jedi Survivor has become one of the most controversial game launches in recent memory, with Digital Foundry calling it the worst AAA port of the year. This is due to colossal performance hiccups on PC hardware which have caused severe frame rate drops, bad frame rates in general, insane VRAM utilization, and almost incessant micro-stuttering when moving about the game world. The performance issues began a day before the game's launch, with reviewers and content creators reporting issues with the pre-released version of the game. Even PCs with some of the most powerful graphics cards like the GeForce RTX 4090 couldn't get the game running consistently at 60 FPS, regardless of graphical settings. On launch day, reviews and reports indicated that the game was playable but still far from perfect. We can confirm that our experience with the game on an RTX 2060 Super and Ryzen 7 58000X 3D gaming machine has been surprisingly good. The game runs steadily in the 40s, though it requires us to restart after making graphical adjustments to experience normal performance. We also found that enabling NVIDIA ultra-low latency with Jedi Survivor helps to keep system latency at a minimum. But, with all the criticism and controversy, the team behind Jedi Survivor has announced a new patch, addressing several bugs and performance problems related to the PC version. The patch is available for PC gamers now, and a similar patch will come to PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS tomorrow. The patch notes for the PC version are mostly focused on fixing bugs, and there is only one sentence addressing performance improvements for the game, mainly regarding non-ray-traced graphics modes. Other bugs addressed by the patch include crashes associated with skipping cinematics, errors related to cloth physics, collisions, AI, VFX, and a major bug where you could get stuck inside the Chamber of Duality if you don't save after leaving the chamber and die. Our initial impressions of the patch are not that great, as we haven't noticed any micro-stuttering or frame rate improvement. But we are just one test case and everyone has different experiences. Finally, it is important to note that EA has promised to fix the optimization problems on PC, and the new patch is merely the first step in that direction. We can only hope that EA holds up their end of the deal and continues to improve the game's performance and stability. That's all we have in this video. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more news and updates.